What's up, Keela? Man, this is beautiful. I can't wait till the finished product. Oh yeah. Alright. Man, that's gonna be a nice parking spot there, buddy. Yeah, it's gonna be nice there. Oh yeah, man. Oh man, yeah. Oh, that looks so open with that tree gone from right there. I just love it. I just love it. Start another burn pile right here. Oh man. Yeah. We doing it. We doing it. Knew it was coming. Knew it was coming, baby. Just was a matter of time, baby. Patient, 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 and it coming. I'm telling you, it coming, baby. Look at it. Look at it, baby. Coming. Look at that. Bodog gone. And not only Bodog gone, look at it. Ooh, he gone. Ooh, the kids look climb thingy is gone. Yeah, he gone. Oh man. Yeah, boy. Man, I'm just fucked my shoes all the way up walking all this goddamn mud. That was just retarded. I got to clean my goddamn, shoes. It's the last little thing we gotta almost fill up, man. That little trench, and that's small, man. Yeah, they done put this thing to work, man. I wonder who moved my goddamn pole. Oh, the motherfuckers. You know what some guys were digging or not. We did that. We did that, baby. I put that black thing there. Somebody took our damn post up out of there. And I won't know who the fuck did it. The motherfucker had to dig that bitch out. Whoever did that shit. Motherfucker. Ooh. Excuse my language. Excuse my language. It raining, but I had to get me a good video. Had to get me a good video. Our future spot. Oh yeah. Yeah.